artificial intelligence is shaping our lives, where it's applying for jobs, getting say loans, and even intersecting with the customer support boards. But there are uncomfortable truth about the AI. That's we need to a comforts the bias and discriminations. AI, the prominence, fairness, and objectives. But ironically, it's sometimes amplified the human prejudice. Today, we are deep diving into the AI biases. What the if why it happens and how it impacts to decisions makings in our daily life. So, what exactly AI is biases? In simple terms, AI bias occasionally when the algorithms produce a results that can be are synthetically the just due to the flawed data programming AI systems to lives of for the data, and if that the data is reflecting the social biases, this AI also and replicating those biases. For instance, the Amazons once it develops a hiring algorithms that indeed ups a favor of male candidates. Why? Because it's the train on a historical data which had a biases toward the means in the tech role. The AI wants to inherit the biases. It's a train the data was. Biases in AI can rips of at a various stage, such as of data collections. If the data uses to train, not to derive, it wants to perfect equally well for everyone. And second, we algorithms designs. Sometimes we have a algorithms are programmed to uncertainly skew the outcomes. And third is implications. Even if the AI works well in the labs, real world applications can be introducing the biases based on how it's deployed. We take one example, I will better understanding for facing the recognition systems. It will be not, for example, a study has a so that some facial recognition systems has to match higher error for dark skins and individuals components compared to light skins. Once a way that train the data where to primarily compose of lights and skin faces. The real world implications of AI biases series and sometimes life altering look like a few examples. First is in a highly autonomous system to might out of qualification candidates based on grades or race of perceptions, work place and inequalities. And second, in a policy is algorithm has to criticized to disappointment targeting their minorities communities, leading of over of policy the social injustice. In finance, AI decide to loan approval can be discriminations against the low incomes groups or minorities, further widening the economical disruptions. This is a way of ensuring that AI doesn't just work the privileged few. It must work for everyone. Combating AI bias is not easy, but it is possible. Here are some steps we take. Deriving the train the data, using the data that can be represents all gender. Either crisis and social economical groups, and second is algorithm audits, regular test AI system for the biases outcomes for fixing them, and third is transparency, open the sharing how algorithms to work so they can be criticizing to expert and they derive the teams, ensure that the peoples can be buildings AI comes from the various backgrounds. in that the point I have to one quote yeah, for Joy Waldron, AI ethics. Joy Waldron, he said that the best, if you have a problems with the peoples are different from you, and your AI will too. AI has a potentials to making our lives better, but not only we are addressing the challenges has a biases. It's just a technical issue. It's a social issue. We need to governance, companies and individuals who to work together, sir, to create a ethical AI that benefit for everyone's, not just a selected few. What do you think should be there the strict regulations AI, or there the bias is just a growing pain for new technologies? Let me know in the comment below, and don't forget like, share and follow for and subscribe for depth deep dive into the world of AI. Thank you for watching for your crucial about the AI topics, and just check out the more videos. See you next time.